Hey there, how is going? Hope you are doing great. If this is the first video you've seen from us, please consider subscribing to our channel. So what's today's video about? Well, it's based on a question we got from one of our subscribers on YouTube. My smartwatch keeps disconnecting and I cannot reconnect it. Is there any solution? This question came from Alberto Sanchez. Thanks, Alberto. The answer is yes. There are several possible reasons and solutions for this issue, so let's go over each one. First, distance from your phone. If you're more than 10 meters, around 33 feet away from your phone, your smartwatch will likely lose connections. Bluetooth has a limited range, and once you go beyond it, the connection drops. Always keep your phone within range to maintain a stable connection. 2. Outdated app. You might be using an outdated version of the app that connects your smartwatch. For example, if you're using the Fit Pro app used for the HK9 Ultra Golden Edition, make sure it's updated. Go to Play Store or Apple Store, search for the app and tap update if it's needed. Updating it can help fix connection issues. 3. Using the wrong app. Another common issue is using the wrong app to pair your smartwatch. Even it seems to work, the connection might be unstable or won't work at all. So how do you know which apps to use? Very simple. Every smartwatch comes with QR code. Scan it with your phone and it will direct you to the correct app. For example, the X7, X8, T500 Plus, T500 Plus Pro, T55 Plus, i7 Pro Max, they all come with a QR code on the box or in the manual. Scan it and install the official app for your model. 4. Outdated phone system. Sometimes the issue is with your phone itself. If your Android or iOS system is outdated, it might not be fully compatible with newer smartwatches or apps. To fix this, go to your phone's settings, then software update and update it to the latest version available. 5. Incompatible system version. This is something to check before you even buy a smartwatch. Many models won't work if your phone doesn't meet the minimum system requirements. If your phone is below these versions, the smartwatch simply won't pair properly or at all. To check your phone's version, go to Settings, then About Phone or About Device and look for Android or iOS version. 6. Factory deflect. If you've checked everything else and the watch still disconnects constantly, it might be a factory issue. Maybe it got damaged during shipping or it had a deflect from the start. In this case, we recommend you to contact the seller and request either a replacement or a refund. And that's it for today's video. We hope this helps you out. If you have any question, drop them in the comments. Also, do not forget to give us a like and subscribe. It helps us a ton. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye.